The Louisiana Purchase was established in 1803. The United States paid $15 billion for this territory. This territory included 15 present states and 2 Canadian provinces. The Lewis and Clark expedition, also known as the Corps of Discovery, because many thought they would die along the way, started in St. Louis, Missouri in 1804. The expedition was conducted by President Thomas Jefferson. He selected a group of U.S. Army volunteers, which were commanded by Meriwether Lewis and his best friend William Clark. The Lewis and Clark expedition has impacted American history tremendously because of the new land they found, the animals and insects they found, and also the new relationships they formed along the way. Lewis and Clark were charting unknown terrain. Their arsenal included about 200 pounds of gunpowder and an experimental air rifle. They were seeing things that many people had not seen before and had to be prepared. Thomas Jefferson thought they might even encounter a woolly mammoth. That's just how unaware of the terrain they were. On their trek, they encountered the Rocky Mountains and large streams such as the Snake River, which they traveled on. When Lewis and Clark finally made it to their destination in current-day Oregon, they created Fort Clatsop in honor of the Indian tribe living there. They stayed there for 3 months, and in those 3 months, there were only 6 days which had sunny and not raining weather. They learned that the northern west coast is very wet. Along their journey, they both journaled a lot. Meriwether did many drawings on maps to get to Oregon, and also drew new insects and animals and plants that they found along the way. They found many different species of ferns and flowers, and found several new species of trees, and dozens of new insects. This all helps us know which plants and bugs are harmful to us. Lewis and Clark had several translators on their journey. One of them was Sacagawea, or also known as Sacagawea, a part of the Shoshone tribe. Without her, they wouldn't have gotten past the Rocky Mountains, because they needed horses to travel, and the only people that had them were the Native Americans. On this journey, Sacagawea was reunited with her long-lost brother. They were separated 5 years earlier when Sacagawea was kidnapped to a rival tribe. He is the reason that they got the horses. Sacagawea also helped them show which plants are harmful and which are safe to eat. Also, she interpreted for them. She did all this while carrying a newborn baby on her back. Another amazing fact is that throughout this whole trek, only one person died on their crew due to a bursted appendix. Overall, this journey has tremendously impacted our history. From them, we learned to come to peace with the Native Americans and also learn new things, such as different cultures and poisonous plants. The Lewis and Clark expedition has impacted American history tremendously because of the new land they found, the new animals and insects they found, and also the new relationships they formed along the way.